Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find the Call of Duty Mobile on Samsung Galaxy A70. And first we'll need to open the Google Play Store and actually try to find the game. As you can see, there's no real results if we're looking for it. To fix this, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, open the settings and enter family. But then go for parental controls and enter apps and games. Use your PIN code to unlock it. And increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. You can restart your Google Play Store as well, just to make it work. And now if we find the game again, it's right here on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.